Hello students, I am Kishore Kirgandre, lecturer in Civil Engineering Department from KJ Somaiya Polytechnic, Mumbai. Today we are studying rainwater harvesting. After this chapter, you will be able to identify rainwater harvesting concept and analyze the types of rainwater harvesting processes. Today in this lecture, we are studying reason of shortage of water, why rainwater harvesting to be, what is the rainwater harvesting process, advantages and disadvantages of this rainwater harvesting. Student, now pause my video and what are the reason of shortage of water in the world? Think on this point and write down your answer. After completion of your answer, please start my video again. These are the reasons of shortage of water. First is the population increases, second industrialization, third urbanization, fourth decrease in the surface of area of lakes and ponds. Population increases day by day. You know the population of world increasing, so water demand increases. Industrialization, due to the increase in the industrial areas and industries, so for the construction purpose, for maintenance purposes and processing purposes require lot of water, so water demand increases. Urbanization, due to the change of style, people are going towards the cities and towns, so more and more urbanization is going on, so that due to the urbanization, water demand also increases. Decrease in the surface of the area of the lakes, for the living purposes, for industrial purposes, so many purposes, people are reducing the area of the lakes, so that decrease capacity of storing water of lakes and ponds get reduced. Why rainwater to be harvested? First, to conserve and store the groundwater. Second, to reduce water table depletion, to improve the quality of groundwater, to arrest seawater interruption in the coastal area, to avoid flood and water stagnation in the urban areas. What is rainwater harvesting? It means you have to collect the water, direct collection of water from your rooftop and use that water to the direct use. That means you store water in the various storage tank and you can use that water. Second, recharge. That water should be collect and allowed to percolate in the ground, so that your ground aquifers get recharged. Rainwater harvesting process. Collect the water in the tanks, underground tanks, and use that water as per your demand. Second, storage of water in various tanks and store in the reservoir and percolation tank, and stop flowing water and allow that water to percolate the ground, so your wells and tube wells get recharged. Now we are studying the advantages and disadvantages of the rainwater harvesting. First we see the advantages. First, stop lots of pollution. When you are using direct water, so that there is no pollution of water point to be occurred. Second, help nature to be clean. You are stopping water, so that erosion of ground, then various impurities get mixed with the water, it will be reduced. Second, remove chemicals. There is no chance of mixing up chemicals in that water. You are directly collecting and allowing percolate in the ground. Third, stoppage of seepage of water in wastewater in the ground. Now we are going to study the disadvantages. First is the smell. when you are storing water for a long time, due to the stagnation, there is a chances of the water get some bad smells. Second, cut off natural process. You are stopping the water, you are allowing storing the water, you are allowing in a percolating the ground, so that you are little bit cutting the natural process. Second, chemicals. There is a chances of when your water get percolated in the ground, so that time some chemicals and minerals may get dissolved with the water, and so that some chemicals may found in the water. Required large area of land to stop the water, to store the water in the reservoirs. The lot of big catchment area is required, so that requirement of large area is required. Then airborne pollutions and germs. When you are storing water in various tanks and reservoirs, due to the storing for a long time, there is a chance of breeding of mosquitoes and various insects. Due to that insects and mosquitoes, there is a chances you may get some diseases. These are some my references I referred for this presentation. Thank you. Thank you all.